So over here you can see that I have an old photo and there are some scratches over here on the photo right here. And to remove out scratches and blemishes, you can use an effect called Guided Scratches and Blemishes. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided section right here. And once I go around under guided, you can see that scratches and blemishes is an option right here under the special edits. So if I were to go around and click right here, then I will get the option right here, which is simply healing brush tool, as you can see. So I can choose around the brush size right here, just like this, and simply draw over these scratches or blemishes that you may have right here. So I'm just going to go around and draw over this, and there you go. The scratch is gone right here. You can also use the healing brush, as you can see, but for that you need to take a sample. Let's say, for example, I want to remove out this scratch. So I'm just going to go nearby and hold Alt and take a sample of this, and it'll copy out the texture for that particular area, as you can see. But to keep things simple, let me just go around onto spot healing brush tool, increase out the size and draw around, and there you go, that's it. So, but you do get a bit of artifact when you do that right here. I'm just going to go around and decrease out the size of the brush. Let's go around and then just draw around the section right here. So let me just go around, draw around over here, draw around over here just like this, draw around over here as well, just like this, draw around over here right there as well. So let me just go around, draw around over here just like this as well, and just go around and draw around right here. Bit right here just like this, just go around and draw around to remove out these scratches, as you can see right there. So let me just go around and draw that around over there as well, over here as well. Let me just go around and draw around to make that smooth, and simply follow up the process over here. And that is how you can simply remove out these scratches right here or from an image, as you can see, and it is quite simple. And you can make it cleaner over here just like this. So that is how you can go around and use the Guided Scratches and Blemishes option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements to remove out scratches and blemishes from a photo. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.